Hey everybody, welcome back to Bartlett Arborist Supply. Today's video I'm just going to talk about a quick little piece of kit that I carry on me on my saddle whenever I'm climbing. It's a compact little rigging device that, like I mentioned, every day. It's not big, not bulky. It's super compact and it comes in handy quite a bit. So if I forgot my pulley down low and I didn't want to natural crotch my rope, then this guy comes off my harness. It's a DMM rig pulley with the Beckett, steel carabiner, and just a little weaver sling. And it's got me out of a bind in quite a lot of situations. Now, to start off, they do recommend that with the DMM Pintos that you try and stay with an oval shape, only because if it's on a different style carabiner, when it loads, it might shift. If it's like a Big Dan carabiner or something like that, where it might shift to the side and it can actually start creating pressure on this top Beckett right here and it'll start to bend, right? So I just recommend that if you do something like that, you go with a steel carabiner. And like I mentioned, compact, so I just have that sling twisted up. Very easy to use. So I have a pretty long sling on mine. I think this is a 36-inch sling or a 48. And what I do, if I don't need the full sling just choked off, I'll try and basket this. If there's a good union up top, I'll try and basket it. If not, I'll try and get as many wraps into it to try and bring it in as close as possible so it's not hanging so low off of the limb. But again, just wanted to talk about this. Like I mentioned, I really like this setup. So like I mentioned, it's got me out of a bind a lot, and also works for redirecting your rig line also. So if you've got point A over here and you don't want to call up for another big bulky block, maybe this guy will work for you. It's actually worked for me that way too. Redirecting your rope to try and create compression into the wood. Again, other different uses for it, creativity is up to you guys there. So thanks for watching. Check us out at bartlettman.com, or you can Google us at Bartlett Arborist Supply. Thanks.